Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Cheetah Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to change the vibration intensity level on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the select button. Once you wake up the screen, press the select button again to open the menu. Then scroll through the menu by swiping on the screen, find the settings option, and once you find it, tap on it. Now scroll through the menu, through the settings, and find the option called sound and vibration. Once you find it, select it. Here, scroll down until you see the vibration intensity, and once you find it, tap on it. And we have two levels of vibration intensity. You have standard and enhanced. I don't know if you can hear it, but that's standard and that enhanced. I believe enhanced is a little bit stronger, but not much. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button a couple of times to go back to watch face. And that's how you change the vibration intensity level on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.